In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your game data from your iPhone. So in order to erase your game data, we need to start by heading over to the Settings app, click on your profile name at the very top of this screen, click on iCloud, and then click on Storage at the very top. Then what you need to do is just scroll down to your list of applications and locate the game that you're trying to erase the data from. So let's say, for example, I wanted to erase the data of GarageBand. I'm just going to click it from the list and then select Delete Data from iCloud and press Delete. As you can see, we can't undo this action, so click on Permanently Delete, and that's going to go ahead and delete all of your saved game data. So the next time you go into the game, it will essentially be like starting from scratch. Now, in some situations, your saved game data isn't actually saved on your iCloud, but it's actually saved on the game servers themselves. Now, in this situation, what you would need to do is load up the game that you're trying to erase the data from, and usually what you'll find is in the settings menu, you'll be able to clear the cache or clear the data directly from the game itself. Now, if this doesn't work, another thing you can try doing is heading over to the home screen on your phone and then just locating the game that you're trying to erase the data from. So let's say I wanted to get rid of Roblox. What we would need to do is just hold down on the application to bring up this menu, click on Remove App, and then you want to select Delete App to go and remove all of its data. You can see here, deleting this app will also delete its data. Click on Delete. And then if you did decide to reinstall this app, you would need to go and create a new account and use a fresh email address and fresh details so it doesn't start pulling back in that old data. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.